Hello, hey everyone, and welcome back to Interactive CAD and Tech. With the holiday season just around the corner, what a better way to bring everyone together than with a fun holiday quiz? In today's video, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT to create a personalised festive quiz that the whole family can enjoy over Christmas. So let's dive in. So why create a holiday quiz with ChatGPT? Not only is it super easy, ChatGPT can help you come up with unique questions tailored to your family's interests. Plus, it's a quick and versatile. You can create questions for all ages and fun themes like Christmas movies, holiday traditions, and more. You don't need any special skills, and by the end of this video, you'll have a holiday season quiz ready to bring on laughs, learning, and family friendly competition. So, to start, all you need to do is head over to the ChatGPT OpenAI website. I'm on macOS and I'm using the ChatGPT app. But if you're new to ChatGPT, don't worry, it's straightforward to use. Just log in, create an account, and you're ready to start generating your quiz. Once in ChatGPT, like I am now on my screen, uh, you'll see a chat box where you can type in prompts, which is here at the bottom for me. I think in the browser it's in the middle. This is where the magic happens. By asking ChatGPT for specific questions, you can quickly build a unique holiday quiz. The easiest way to make your quiz exciting is by creating categories. Let's start by asking ChatGPT some Christmas-themed trivia questions. And due to my last videos where everyone was sick of me typing, I've actually created prompts so you don't watch me type in the prompts. So I'm asking ChatGPT to create 10 Christmas trivia questions that are fun for all ages. So if I press that and just let it generate, ChatGPT will generate questions like shown on the screen. What Christmas beverage is known for being creamy and often spiced with cinnamon or nutmeg? Answer: eggnog. Um, you can even ask it to provide multiple choice as well. Oops. This is what I meant about my typing. So it's doing the same quiz, but it's giving us multiple choices. If you want questions for younger family members, just ask ChatGPT for kid-friendly questions. So it's done me a multiple choice Christmas quiz. Let's let it finish generating. But while that's doing that, if I go back to my prompts, give me 5 easy Christmas questions for kids. And then ChatGPT will generate questions like, what colour is Santa's suit? You can even ask it to provide multiple choice answers for this if we want, or you can have it as single answers like it's generated for me there. A great way to make your quiz more meaningful is to add personalised questions about your family traditions or funny holiday memories. For example, type in create holiday quiz questions about your family tradition or a funny event from your Christmas past. So write a question about a funny event from a Christmas past. So write a question about, I'm going to put when Dad dropped the turkey. So it's come up with a nice multiple choice, funny question about when my dad dropped the turkey one year. This could also be something like, in what year did the holiday cooking baking tradition start? Or what Christmas song does Grandma always sing off key? Custom questions like this um, are sure to bring laughter and fun and memories to your quiz. Now let's add a few different themes to keep it interesting. You could ask for questions on holiday movies or Christmas songs. So it's generating me extra questions about Christmas songs. You can do the same with movies as well. So I've just dumbed that down because it knows the theme of the conversation. So I've just put add 5 about, so it knows I'm asking for 5 more questions about Christmas movies. So once you have your questions that you want, it's time to format your quiz. So you need to add a scoring system. So create a scoring system for my quiz game. So I've just asked ChatGPT to create a scoring system for my Christmas quiz game and see what it comes up with. You can use a simple point-based system like 1 point per correct answer, or ask ChatGPT to help like me. ChatGPT can suggest fun ways to score, like awarding extra points for creative answers or offering bonus rounds. So then it's come up with a nice, fun scoring system, and then an optional twist of a gift grab, which you could do if you'd like. Now that your quiz is ready, it's time to start putting the finishing touches. Print out your questions or keep them on a device. Like I could copy this to my iPhone, and then if you want to make it extra stressful, ask ChatGPT to create a holiday themed scorecard. So holiday themed scorecard for my quiz. I know I've spelled score wrong there, but it still does it. So now it's doing the scoring legend and it's doing the Christmas quiz scorecard. ChatGPT can even suggest fun ways to kick off the quiz. For example, what's everyone's favourite holiday tradition? Or best gifts you received, and so on. But it gets everyone in the holiday spirit. And that's it. Now you have a fully personalised family holiday quiz created with the help of ChatGPT. It's fun and interactive, and it's a way to celebrate Christmas and bring everyone together. If you create your own quiz, I'd love to hear how it goes. And if you want to put it down in the comments, please do. And don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell icon for more holiday tips and tech and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and a Merry Christmas from Interactive CAD and Tech.